Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make a chicken soup. So I started by boiling drumsticks. I have 5 of them inside, and you can use chicken wings or thighs, whichever you prefer. As you see, this thing needs to be clean while it's boiling. You want to check this and get rid of it. Now I'm gonna cut 4 big carrots in small pieces, like this. What? It's not sharp enough for you? I know. Like this, look. Try. Good job! Now we take an onion, it can be any size, even smaller, and we cut this end, and we take the first layer down. Like this. Like this. And then we just cut here, quarter way down, like this in a cross. So I added the carrots, the onion, salt and pepper. Don't put too much pepper, especially if you do it for kids also. And you can check later on for salt if you need more. For next step, I'm taking out all the drumsticks and I'm gonna let them cool down. After they are cooled down, we take the meat out from the bones. Like this. Now we cut the meat in pieces, small ones like this. Now we are going to put the chicken inside. Now I'm taking out the onion. It was just for taste. Now we're gonna leave to boil until the carrots are 90% done, and you can punch them with a fork easily. The last thing I'm going to add is vermicelli, if I'm spelling that right, pasta. And I'm gonna mix every 2-3 minutes to make sure that it's not sticking to each other. And when the pasta is done, the soup is done also. You can add parsley, dried ones, or fresh ones, even better. Enjoy, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.